Welcome back. This is a little bit longer section than the previous ones, but it's pretty easy. In this, you will learn to understand the phraseology for altitudes, directions, speed, and time. Figures for ceiling heights and upper wind levels up to 9,900 are stated as you might expect, and here are two examples: 500, 4,500. Pretty simple. Okay, now numbers above 9,900. In this case, we can see we have a 10,000. This would be stated as 10,000. Or for 13,500, we have 13,500. We're already familiar with stating radio frequency, but here we go. One more example. 122.1. Super easy. Altitudes and flight levels are no different. For 12,000 and 12,500, they are stated as 12,000 and 12,500. Before we get started, let's talk about the difference between magnetic and true. So we have bearing, course, heading, or wind direction. All of these use the magnetic compass. If there's some reason to use the geographical direction, the word true will be added when it applies. Okay, let's look at these next two examples. We have charted a course. It appears as 005, and that's exactly how you would state it, 005. The angle between two locations measured clockwise is your magnetic bearing. It would be stated 060 in that last example. We've already touched upon true course, in other words, relative to the geographical North Pole. In this example, we have 050 true. In the second example, we have magnetic heading, and this is the direction the nose of the aircraft is pointing. In this case, we have heading 100. The last example, wind direction, is pretty easy. We state wind and then the numbers. Wind 220. Here are two examples of stating your aircraft speed. 250 knots. 190 knots. Basic, right? Let's wrap up this section with time. The FAA uses Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC, for all operations. The term or word Zulu may be used to denote UTC time. Let's take, for example, 20 minutes after 9 UTC. It would be stated as 0920 Zulu. Also, just for fun, the first minute of the first hour is indicated by 0000 Zulu.